जय गुरुदेव। आज हम ज्योमेट्री का एक प्रॉब्लम ले रहे हैं और उसको हम वेरीफाई करके देखेंगे। प्रॉब्लम इस प्रकार है, यहाँ से मैं पढ़ देता हूँ। प्रॉब्लम इन ट्रायंगल ABC D and E D is a midpoint of AC and E is a midpoint of BD. D and E are midpoints of AC and BD respectively. Joint AE, segment AE extended to meet BC at F. Draw DG parallel to AF. This is what given. And what we have to verify? We have to verify that BF is equal to FG is equal to GC. First and secondly, we have to verify BC is equal to 3 times BC. This whole line is equal to 3 times BF. Now, at this stage, our observation, we are getting true values. Alpha is this angle, beta is this angle, और इन दोनों की वैल्यू 33.4 डिग्री आ रहा है. And BF, this line segment BF is 2.8 unit, FG is also 2.8 unit, GC is also 2.8 unit. Now it is one condition. Suppose I want to shift either A, B or C. By dragging with the help of mouse, we will get another figure and values will also change. Values of alpha and beta will change automatically, and B, F, G and GC will also change. So this value again change according to the figure and we will get the true values. It is all calculated by the computer itself. Say at this stage, these values are 40 degree and this is also 40, means these two line segments are parallel. Okay, and BF is 2.5, FG is 2.5, GC is 2.5. You can make observation table and note down these all 5 parameters values in your observation table, and then at the end we can calculate. And then again I am shifting this. What we are getting? Alpha and beta 27 degree and beta is also 27 degree, and all these segment 1.7, 1.7. Now this is second. In third case, let us take this. Now alpha and beta both are 56 degree, means equal, and these all the 3 segments are also equal. Now third value I am trying to change. At this stage, alpha and beta 42 degree each, 42.5 degree each, and BF, FG and GC 2 unit each. So this is the third reading. Now I am changing A, this point. At this stage I have changed बी पॉइंट को हमने ड्रैग किया और उसके बाद अब ये वैल्यू निकाल रहा है। तो ये दोनों एंगल अल्फा और बीटा की वैल्यू हमारी 31 डिग्री आ गई। बी एफ और एफ जी और जी सी की वैल्यू 2.1 यूनिट प्रत्येक की आ गई है। अब ईच ऑफ देम आर 2.1 unit, whatever bigger. I am dragging my tape, making it little bigger. See, values of alpha and beta is 90.5, or I am changing this, trying 20 degree. This angle is here, this is here, so 20 degree this and 1.8 unit BF FG और GC की वैल्यू 1.8 यूनिट आ गए। नाउ लेट अस this value, you can take this value, so 5 values already we have noted here. You can pause your video and you can note down. Suppose I want to bring this C point here in this area, and keeping this AB there itself, what will be the value? Let us see. Now this angle between, it was AC and this thing, so this reflex angle is coming, but even reflex angles are also equal. When reflex angle are equal, means these two segments, that is A, F and G, D. DG are parallel, and value of BF, FG and GC, they are equal. So in this verification, with the help of this software, we have verified very amazing this way, that pulling this point A, C to other side, means reversing the page or lifting the point A in the space, then even keeping the line BC on the plane, and we are lifting this point C above the plane. You can imagine it is above the table suppose, and I am changing this. Even at every stage they are same. Again I am bringing this here, and making it a little bigger, or you can see this. If I want to make it 90 degree, this AB is per angle A, making like 90 degree, putting on this coordinates, this graph paper. Now this angle is, this angle CAB is about 90 degree. Now again at this stage we can see that these values are equal. Here you can see these two values are equal, these segments are also equal. Now suppose the value of BF and FG and GC they are equal, say X. So BC is equal to this plus this plus this, means X plus X plus X, 3X. It means BF is equal to x, BC is equal to 3x, means 3 times. So here we have verified that fact also, that BC is 3 times the A. आशा है आपको ये समझ में आया होगा अच्छे से, और इसको आप हल करने का प्रयास करिए कि कैसे प्रूव करेंगे हम। अगर एक प्रश्न एग्ज़ाम में आ जाता है तो हम कैसे हेल्प करेंगे। इसमें ये ट्रायंगल लेते हैं पहले, उसका क्या है, ये मिड पॉइंट है तो ये लाइन पैरेलल है तो ये डिवाइड हो जाएंगे। अब फिर हम ये ट्रायंगल लेते हैं, इस ट्रायंगल में ये AEF is parallel to DG by construction है, means EF is parallel to this and E is the midpoint of BD, so F is the midpoint of BG। हाँ, तो मिड पॉइंट थ्योरम जो हमारा है उसी का एप्लीकेशन है ये एक तरह से। हाँ, मुझे आशा है आपको समझ में आए। मेरी शुभकामनाएं आपको। जय गुरुदेव, जय महर्षि।